Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial, we're going to teach you how you can connect your website on Squarespace with Google Sheets, for example, with specific spreadsheets or tables. So let us get started right away. Head over to Google Sheets and access the table or spreadsheet you would like to embed into your website on Squarespace. And here in Google Sheets, click into File in the top left, hover your mouse over Share and click into Publish to Web. After that, switch from Link to Embed here. And here from the drop-down menu, select whether you'd like to embed your entire document or only sheet 1 or sheet 2 or specific sheets. Let me go with that one here. And below, guys, simply copy that embed code here, highlight it, press Ctrl+C to copy it. Head back to your page on Squarespace. Let me go with this example page here. Find a section where we'd like to place your table. And let me go with this section here. So click into Add a block in the top left, select code here. And after that, click into that example text here, delete the default code and paste your embed code from Google Sheets. Just like that, as you can see, that sheet has been added. And that's basically it. You may, for instance, customize it by deciding to display the source code or not, just like that. Or you may choose a different mode here, like JavaScript or CSS, and so on and so forth. You may also move that around like any other block on your section. Resize it, pin it, change the alignment, edit it, or remove it. So I can do that really quickly. And that's how it works, guys. That's how you connect Google Sheets with your website on Squarespace. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.